Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yo guys, there's been a rumor that Shebeshete and Okolo have broken up. This certain TikToker went on TikTok, honey, spilling out the tea, saying that Shebeshete kicked out Kolo 3 weeks ago. And you know what, ne? I was also shocked, like, why is Kolo not posting anymore? Like, what could have happened? Was it because of that substance abuse saga? Maybe one about Olapile. I don't know, girls. But it seems like it's bad that side. The way he was defending his wife after he cheated with that girl, with a child, with a minor, and impregnated a minor, which is illegal. And I'm shocked why he's not in jail because of that. It will be a mystery to me. It will forever be a mystery to me. But the fact that he broke up with Okolo, no man, it must mean something has happened. And even this TikToker was like, and I can't post the video here because it has music, right? And I'm scared of being copyrighted. And it was like, this TikToker was like, Kolo was there with you when you had nothing. He walked with you when you had nothing. Today you're kicking her out. How, guys, this is what happens when you also depend on a man, when you also make your whole personality and identity on a man. When he decides to just leave, men, when they decide to leave, they do not think twice when they want to leave. They do not care whether you were there when the time you guys were only eating up with water. They will not care. If they want to leave, they are going to turn around and leave you at their convenience, girls. So this is a lesson to all the ladies. Be independent. Go to school if you have to go to school, or open up a business, but try to be independent. Have an identity of your own, so that when that man leaves you, shame, you will have nothing to lose. I just hope that there's just rumors. I really do. Because Paswarane, guys, this is wrong. Like Kale, Paswarane, those two, that girl has been there for that man. I had wrong going. He impregnated a girl. She decided to stay. Today, Mokova. Guys, so please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you on my next video.